On today's product review, we're going to look at this product from Milado. This is their 12-volt engine oil transfer pump. So if you need to transfer oil out of your vehicle or out of a piece of lawn equipment, or just generally from one place to the other, you can do it with this. This is all that the kit comes with. So you've got, in this bag here, you've got hoses and gloves and stuff to help transfer the oil. And then over in the hard shell case here, you've got the actual transfer pump itself, some wipes, the 12-volt hookup, and then you have attachments and things along those lines for your hoses as well. So what I'm going to do is get this out, and I'm going to give you a quick demonstration as to how this oil transfer pump works, and we'll do that here next. Alright y'all, I got a little bit of a setup here for us to test. Got the battery, hooked up to a 12-volt source. The in is the small one, the out is the large one. And all you got to do, these are like just kind of compression fittings here. So you just push it to get it out, and then they just fit in when you push it in. So both sides. The small one is the in, the large one is the out. And so I'm going to turn it on, and we're going to transfer some oil from this to this. And the oil is not hot or anything yet, so it is going to take us a little bit of time to get this moving. And it's thicker oil, like 15W40, so there we go. So once you get the pump primed up here, it starts moving it a little bit faster. So you can see it's about to come in. It's making its way up. And we'll transfer this oil. So you can see the oil being transferred in. Once it clears the air pockets, it'll run a little bit faster, but again, if you have a lot of areas where you can't get oil into certain places, and this right here will allow you to do it, so that's good. And then obviously if you have hotter oil in a hotter environment, this will move a lot faster as well. So just consider that. But as you can see, it's working like it needs to. It got the pump primed up and is transferring oil pretty well now. Alright y'all, that's everything on this oil transfer pump. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, found it helpful and informative, and I will catch y'all on the next one.